This is a video created with ProfitVideo, and I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to edit videos with ProfitVideo. So let's just dive right in. So after logging in, we're heading to Video Maker, and here we have all of our videos. And here we can see the exact video we just saw. Here it is. Now, let's quickly play around with it. So we're going to place it in our clipboard where we're going to do all of the editing. As with any video editor, I can place several videos in the clipboard and join them. But we're just going to focus on this one for now. So you have a bunch of options. You can add subtitles, you can add text, we can add a watermark. For example, we can edit wherever we want. And using this drag and drop timeline editor, you can also select how long the watermark should last. What's more, you can also select a certain section of a video. So for example, if I'm going to choose these first 10 seconds and I'm going to just cut them here, you'll be able to see the whole video now has 10 seconds. We can also do this for several other things. We can add different filters and we can just give it some contrast. And you can see this image has a crisper quality. You can also crop. So for example, if I don't like that logo, I can just crop it out. Got a little bit more there. And so much more. You can rotate, and that gives so many possibilities for editing your videos and doing anything you want in this web app video editor. After editing the video and doing everything you like to it, just create video, let it process for a bit. And after that, we just select a name, something like Profit Video Demo. And we can select different sizes, the quality. I'm going to set it as high. Going to do it as full HD. We can select different formats and then also different ratios. If you have any audio files, you'll be able to choose a background audio. You can even select some text on video that you can add afterwards. Once you're done with everything, just click create. And if we go to check inside our home, we'll be able to see the video exactly like we edited it. And we'll see it with everything we did, even with the filter, if we rotated it, everything else. What's more, you can even record your screen, so you don't need anything else apart from ProfitVideo. You can record your screen, drop it directly into the video maker, edit your video and upload it to YouTube or wherever you need it to be. It's as easy as just start screen record, we select what we want. I'm just going to record my entire screen. Allow, and it starts showing right here. And if I click on stop recording, I'm going to give it a file name, demo, and I'm going to save it. And I'm also going to be able to see it right here, to see exactly what I did during this screen record session. You can even open up your camera so as to record yourself and have a cool presentation. So if you want to be a professional editor for a low one-time fee, grab ProfitVideo right now and I will see you inside.